You can order the sway bar end links used in the video from CarParts.com through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. To be able to change the sway bar end links on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain complete access to the suspension system. Lift the front of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Nissan Altima safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to put the wheels under the vehicle. You can now see your car's end link. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Using a 19mm wrench, unscrew the nut on the upper ball joint. Use a 5mm Allen key to keep the ball joint from rotating. The end link connects the sway bar to the struts to keep the wheels firmly on the ground at all times. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. You can now remove the link. You can order the sway bar end link used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new link and unscrew the nut supplied with it. Install it in the sway bar, then in the strut. If you want to know which parts and tools we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Then screw the nut back on by hand a few threads. Screw the upper nut back on until it makes contact using an 18mm wrench. Use a 6mm Allen key to keep the ball joint from rotating. Screw the lower nut back in until it makes contact. Finish tightening the nuts with a torque wrench, blocking the rotation of the ball joints with a 19mm wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation complete.